Hello, everyone. My name is Daniela Quintera, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you would like to read any more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com or you can click the link in our description below. Oil prices continue to be fueled by geopolitical risks in the Middle East as Israel and Iran continue their assaults. The U.S.'s involvement in the conflict is adding additional volatility. Brent crude prices have jumped from $65 per barrel in early June to more than $77 per barrel. Over the same time frame, West Texas intermediate prices have climbed from around $63 per barrel to around $75 per barrel. With all eyes on the Middle East, the typical bullish factors, including U.S. Federal Reserve decisions, Chinese imports, and OPEC Plus policy, have taken a back seat and will continue to until Middle East geopolitics become more defined. These near and longer term conditions are a favorable trend for energy plays like PermRock Royalty Trust, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol PRT. John?
Yeah, thanks, Daniela. PermRock Royalty Trust owns a perpetual interest in oil and gas producing properties located in the oil-rich Permian Basin in Texas. It receives an 80% net profit interest from the sale of production from certain properties owned by T2S Permian Acquisition in the Permian Basin, as we said, of West Texas, rather than a specific portion of production. Now, its underlying properties consist of 4 operating areas in the Permian Basin in Texas, totaling approximately 31,354 gross acres.
It declared a monthly payout of 0.03 cents per unit.
Yeah, because the company declares a monthly dividend, it announces its financial results on a monthly basis as well. It reported oil cash receipts of $1.4 million. That was a marginal decrease of just $10,000 from the prior month. During the month, the trust sold 22,232 barrels of oil compared to 21,413 the prior month. Now, the average price per barrel was $66.92, down from $70.27 per barrel in April. Natural gas receipts totaled $80,000, a decrease of $30,000 from the prior month. During the month, natural gas averaged around $3.19 per thousand cubic feet, compared to $4.15 per thousand cubic feet in the prior month. Now, all total and combined, this resulted in a cash distribution of $371,192.79, or 0.030511 per unit. This works out to 37 cents on an annual basis for a forward yield of approximately 9%. Now, PermRock paid out its first monthly dividend in May of 2018. And as expected, the monthly payout will fluctuate based on the price of oil and gas and sales volumes, etc. Some months were more prosperous than others. During the 2020 health crisis, PermRock suspended its payout for 5 months.
And if you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you can also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can also find the link to our website in the description below. And now back to the video. PRT stock outpacing S&P 500?
Yeah, PRT stock had a rough go of it between October 2023 and December 2024, but things changed in December 2024. That's when PermRock announced the pending sale of its underlying properties from Boaz Energy to T2S, and the acquisition closed this past March. By early March, PRT stock was trading at its highest level in more than a year. That momentum was upended on fears of a global trade war and what it could do to the economy, and for energy stocks, the demand for oil and gas. PRT stock has been trending steadily higher since early April and got a big boost in June, and is, as of this recording, trading up around 16% since early April, 22% over the last 6 months, and 23% year over year.
Thanks, John, for your insights. PermRock Royalty Trust is an oil and gas exploration and production company that owns a perpetual interest in oil and natural gas properties in the Permian Basin in Texas. And thanks to historically strong demand for oil and gas, it has been able to provide its shareholders with an ultra-high yield monthly dividend. Insiders have a big stake in PermRock with 40.2% of all outstanding shares. This should entice them to see the trust perform well. Institutional ownership is quite small, at just 2% of all outstanding shares. But those bullish on PermRock are well known and include BlackRock, Royal Bank of Canada, and PNC Financial Services Group. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com to get our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. Or we can find the link to our website in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.